Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, well, just got out of work and I have another challenge lock here for you. This one here, pinned up by Trekmaster 30. Calls it Thorn. It was sent to me by West Coast Picks, and both Trekmaster 30 and West Coast Picks. Really, really good friends of mine now, and just awesome guys. Got great channels, just super pickers, and yeah, just awesome to have in our community. But anyways, it's a Sargent. The tab is still hitting the vise, so it won't go any further than that. But it does work very well. This is bidding on the key. All these Sargents, I've never seen a Sargent yet that doesn't have a serious bidding. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess this is a 6-pinner. Alright, well, we're going to see if we get in it, and well, we'll see what Trekmaster put in there for us. Alright, let's zoom us up. Alright, that should be good. Okay, well, we'll go with top of the keyway. And, well, we're going to use my buddy Trekmaster's pick. Alright, let's see. I don't know if I can come up from the bottom or... Yeah, I think I could come from the bottom here. Okay, I think that was pin 4. Got a little turn on that core. That was pin 3. A little tight in there. Getting a little feedback off of that pin 4 or 3. Alright. Let's see if I can find that again. Okay, we got some out of 1. Oh, okay, a couple more clicks off of 1 actually. Another click, I think that was from 4. All that clicking, I think, is just me coming off the warding. Alright, see if we can find some more feedback here. Pin 1. Ooh, got some deep counter. Alright, not sure if I got him, but it stopped. Nope, I don't think I got him. Oh, now I got him. I got him that time. Got the false set back, and we're open, I believe. Yeah, on 4. I believe so. Yes, sir. Yep. All right, we are open, guys. Sweet. All right, let's take a look and see what Trekmaster put in there. Like I said, I've probably seen this lock picked before, but I can't remember. One lock to the next, I watched so many locks be picked. Grab this pinning tray. Got an awesome pinning tray from West Coast Picks here. I like this one. It really shows the pins really nice. It's really nice to work with when you're doing these videos. Alright, oh, we have a key. Oh, we'll try not to lock it up. What the heck? Still quite a bit of Loctite on there. So many Sargents has the Loctite. These screws can be so tight. I've had a couple where I almost couldn't get them off. I hate these flatheads. Phillips are much better. Alright, but we're off. Okay, let's throw a shim in there. Ooh, did I lock it up? Yes, I did. Good thing we have the key. That's alright. Let's see if I get that shim in there. Yes, we did. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Alright, here we go. All 6 pins, all in and working very nicely. And look at how deep those are. Ooh, they all had to be picked way up there. Now we can see some threading and countermilling. Alright, let's have a peek. Number 1, a very fine serrated. Number 2, looks like one of those knurl type of key pins. Yeah. 3 also, almost like those dragon pins that Pick-me makes. Alright, we got some more serrated there, a couple serrations there, and another one of those knurl type of key pins there. Alright, okay, we have some threading in 1, 3, or excuse me, 4 and 5. Looks like 2, 3, and 6, and drilled out a little wider or something. I don't think that's natural. Alright, but anyways, let's have a look up here. Okay, nicely serrated. Little tiny steel spring. Oh, we got some threading in here too. So yeah, he's been up here too. Got one of those knurl pins. There's probably a knurl maybe in each one of those. Little steel spring. Yep, another knurl. I like to know how they make those. Not sure if that's a little brass spring. Well, number 4, if I get that to focus, it's kind of stuck down there. Oh, there it is. And that looks like a pin and... No, that's a... I thought it was a pin and pin, but it's just heavily serrated to a T-pin. And that is definitely a brass or a copper spring. Alright, let's see what we have here. We'll go with number 6. It's going to be another one of those little knurl jobs. Oops. A little brass spring. And last but not least, number 5. It's a nice, finely serrated pin. And another little brass spring, but he's done some up here too. So let me find that little flashlight here. My desk is a little bit of a mess. Alright, so I can see we have some threading in 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5. Yep, alright. Let's check out these pins. I think this is the first time I've had these type of pins in the lab. Alright. One is this very nicely serrated, and up top, same thing, nice serrations, very sharp. And then we got both top and bottom are these knurl type of pins, both the key pin and the driver. Same in 3. See those knurls on there. Same with the driver. And then here we have another nicely serrated. Up top we have this serrated T-pin. And then we have another double wide serrations here in 5. Another very serrated here up top in the Bible there. And then we got this another knurl here in 6 and another knurl driver. And then we got a little steel spring, another little steel one. That could be copper or brass. And then 3, I believe those are brass. But yeah, an awesome lock. Alright, Trekmaster, thank you so much for pinning up that lock, sending that out into the community. And West Coast Picks, Harley, thank you very much for sending me this lock. Like I said, this is the first time I had one of these locks in the lab with these knurl type of pins. Pretty awesome. Alright, cool. Alright guys, yeah, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, you could comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.